In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a mobile-friendly website in Canva. We'll start on the Canva homepage. In the search bar, type website, and you'll see a full gallery of website templates for portfolios, businesses, and events. Browse a bit and pick a layout that already matches the mood and structure you want. Choosing a strong starting point saves time and helps your site stay consistent on mobile. Open your template and use Canva's drag and drop builder to replace every placeholder with your own content. Click on a text box to paste in your copy and drag images from the Uploads panel to swap photos. Keep your pages tidy as you go. If a caption belongs with a photo, select both items, then click Group. Grouping locks them together, so when the design adapts to a phone screen, the caption won't drift away from its image. Do the same for icons and labels, or any small clusters that need to move as one. Feel free to duplicate a page you like and delete any sections you won't use. Cleaner pages load faster and read better on small screens. Watch for overlaps. If the edges of two elements touch or cross, it can create strange stacking on smaller screens. Nudge items apart and resize them so their borders don't collide. Using alignment and spacing tools here will pay off later when the layout resizes automatically. Next, optimize for readability. Keep text concise and choose clear, readable fonts. Avoid ultra, thin or overly decorative styles for body copy. Give lines a little breathing room and make sure your call to action buttons are comfortably large, think big enough for a thumb tap. Roughly the size of a fingertip, so visitors can click without zooming. When you are ready to check your work, click the preview button, the little eye icon at the top right. Switch to the mobile view to see how everything looks on a phone. Make sure the wrist size on mobile checkbox is turned on in this preview. Scroll through each page, confirm nothing overlaps, and test that headings wrap nicely and buttons are easy to reach. If anything looks off, jump back to the editor, tweak size, spacing, or grouping and preview again until the mobile view feels effortless. Happy with the result? It's time to publish. Click Share. Then choose Website and finally click Publish Website. Canva will generate your live site so you can share the link immediately. That's it. Thanks for watching.